is on a Holley high ram on a small block Chevy. They just kind of came out with it. It really takes up a lot of room, so make sure you really want it. I mean, there's a hood clearance video on my channel there. So there's the Holley high ram. There's how much room you got for a distributor. So you better use a small one. And then I used cruise control and throttle cable off of a later model truck, and then built this bracket to support it. Goes from one of the bolts there, and then the two supplied bolts there. Now you pretty much got to use those bolts they send with it, because the throttle body hits it. If it's too thick, it'll even hit the little bracket they send you. And then here's the cold air intake. Still got a little work to do to it, but it's cold air, kind of a factory looking thing, I think. And then here's the mid-rise Holley mid-rise accessory drive system that Holley sells. There, that's a power steering pump, alternator, water pump. I think it's off a Corvette or something. Let's see if I come around here. And there's the AC. And the tensioner down there. And it comes with the bottom pulley. And my heater is hooked, heater hose. It's hooked right here. This is the heater hose. Goes to the heater. And goes back into the radiator coming out of the heater. And then the fuel rails are AN-8. So if you're running 6, you got to reduce them down. I just reduced them down instead of running 8 all over again. So I did flip the injectors to go on the back side of the fuel rail. They barely fit, like a 30-second. If they were a little thicker, they wouldn't fit. But they fit in there, and they're kind of snug, so they'll stay in there. So, and then here's the, you'll have to get a idle air valve and throttle position sensor. I used the one off the ProFlow 4. Used the computer off the ProFlow 4, the ECM. Used the wiring harness off the ProFlow 4. Used the injectors off the ProFlow 4. Used the distributor off the ProFlow 4. Pretty much I used everything off the ProFlow 4 except the intake, manifold, and throttle body, which is now a Holley high ram with the Sniper 92 on it. Thanks for watching.